How do you add and subtract time? How is it different from normal addition and subtraction? Let's learn. Let's first understand the basics. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. But you already know that. But pay attention. This is vital to understanding carryovers and borrowing of time. We work in multiples of 60. For example, when you borrow an hour, you borrow 60 minutes, not 10 or 100. Similarly, you carry over 60 minutes to carry over 1 hour. Similarly, you borrow 1 minute to borrow 60 seconds, not 100 seconds. And you carry over 60 seconds to carry over 1 minute. So why the difference? In normal calculations, we use base 10 because we use the decimal system. So we carry over in multiples of 10. However, in time, we use multiples of 60, which is a sexagesimal system originally used by the Babylonian civilization. We will solve these 3 questions today to understand calculations in time. Let's take the first question. First, add minutes. You get 105 minutes. Then add hours. You get 53 hours. Now, when the minutes is more than 60, carry over 60 minutes to hours section. So you subtract 60 minutes from 105 minutes and carry over and add 1 hour to 53 hours. You get 54 hours and 45 minutes. Let us take a subtraction question. Here, it involves minutes and seconds. Here are the steps. First, subtract the seconds portion. You cannot subtract 50 from 40. So, borrow 1 minute equals 60 seconds from minutes. This makes it 14 minutes and 100 seconds. Now subtract seconds to get 100 minus 50 equals 50 seconds. Then subtract minutes. 14 minus 7 equals 7 minutes. Let us take another addition question. 14 hours 25 minutes plus 6 hours 55 minutes. We follow the same process. First, add minutes. 25 minutes and 55 minutes makes 80 minutes. Add hours. 14 and 6 makes 20 hours. Now, since minutes is more than 60, we carry over 60 minutes from minutes to add an hour to the hours section. We get 21 hours and 20 minutes. So, we solved the 3 questions. Stemkit Conceptual Maths Grade 4.